All right. What do we have? Turn it around so we can see. What is it? How do you say it, Kennedy?
Sand.
What kind of sand? Kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand surprise.
The one and only.
All right, let's open it up and see what's inside.
Sand, I think.
Yeah.
Let me see. You got it? Okay.
Me too.
I found this.
You too. Let's see what it is.
I ain't gonna read it.
Kidding. Wait, okay. It has something to do with these.
Yeah, it has something to do. Wait. That was in yours?
Yeah.
Mine is like that.
Finish taking the plastic off.
Oh, man.
Kennedy.
Let me see.
Oh.
How did you do that?
What you do? You have to peel off the plastic first. I got a dragon. And it has a little launcher. Okay. And it is a little princess right here. I'm gonna launch her.
Let me see.
Ooh! So I have this one. I have this little. What is it?
Let me see. Turn it around.
I have this little toy. And it can do this.
What else is in there?
And then I like kinetic sand.
Your
And then
name.
my package is like.
I came with a dragon with the girl.
Where did you get these?
I don't have to tell you everything.
We gonna. Kennedy, we gonna start making stuff.
Oh yeah. But I don't want to make it like, cause it's gonna fall out.
In the holes.
Yeah.
You guys can save it till y'all get home. I just wanted to
So she gonna come to
see
our
what
house.
was in it.
My room clean. So can she come to our house?
How do you
That's the
open
plan until her mom gets home.
Okay. So Kennedy, we're gonna make it in here.
this? I don't know how to open.
But we're gonna like open it with your mouth.
Yours look like real sand. Mine is green. Green of the earth. The power of the earth. Mine is the power of the earth, and yours is the power of the
kingdom.
the air, girl.
Not
Actually,
the kingdom.
the clouds, the cloud monster. She has this, so that should be a cloud monster.
Yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna make is I need to
I
have
think
a
this is
little
a
bit of
castle.
Yeah, y'all wanna see this interesting?
The princess got stuck.
That's the whole thing about kinetic.
Look. I got a princess.
How did you get that?
Because it was a dragon.
Can I use this right quick?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is put it in here. That's for the kinetic sand.
Perfect. And now, yes.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, put this back in there, because I don't need it right now.
So they say to put some sand in here.
I have yours.
Okay, so mine says to put some sand up here.
Oh, to make the shape of that.
And then to make a tower. Oh, they say that to make a tower.
actually have to do what they say.
No, it's your stuff.
Yeah. But you are gonna do what Kennedy.
I just want to see how it turns out like this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the dragon in here. So I'm gonna put.
Hey guys, we're gonna go do this later. But right now we're gonna go play. So